Hey everybody, there were a lot of issues with getting into Canvas. I know some people had just technical problems with audio, with visual, passwords. There were just a lot of issues. So I just want to make sure that everybody's clear on the best way to do this. So you start by going to the District 102 website. Then you're going to scroll down to this red Canvas logo. And then with this, and I'll make this big, you want to make sure that you have the first four of your last name, the first four of your first name, and then at dist102.k12.il.us. Then you're going to put in your top secret password and click log in. That is going to take you to your courses, and then so you're going to find the either fourth or fifth grade course. It is the same thing as far as this goes. So now that you're in the classroom, there is this Think Central shortcut. This is by far the easiest way to get in there, so please just click there. And then you want to verify that you are in the United States. You're going to click Illinois. This one was a big struggle. When you click the drop-down screen, if you tap the letter L, it will take you into the L's. It starts with District 105. You want to make sure that you are in LaGrange Elementary School District 102 or 102. Your school is Congress Park, even if your home school is Forest Road or a different school. You want to make sure that this says Congress Park Elementary School in Brookfield. You want to click this Remember My School. That way you won't have to do that every single time. Then in here, you're going to put the first four of your last name and the first four of your first name, followed by 102. And then you're going to go down here and then you are going to put in your password. That will take you to your account. I hope that helps. Please just practice this a couple times. My goal is that when I say go into Think Central, that everyone can get into there in less than a minute. So hopefully that's realistic. And hopefully there won't be too many technical issues. So I apologize for all the struggles today. I hope that this helps. Please have a great day.